interrupted with the libmlt version 3 DLL blocking MLT Multimedia Framework v3 Shim workflow? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I've analyzed the conflict and I'm ready to show you the safest fix. Don't let libmlt version 3 slow you down. The automated repair toolkit is available in the description. This is the libmlt version 3, part of the Media Lovin Toolkit, MLT, an open-source multimedia framework used by video editors like Shotcut or Kdenlive. It manages the localized video processing pipeline and filter effects. Missing versions are a leading cause of engine failed to initialize errors in open-source video software. Without it, the app cannot render the timeline. Understanding the file's role is a great start. Now let's look at replacing it. This is an OS-level file error that requires a system integrity scan. Open command prompt as an administrator and run sfc/scan now to allow Windows to verify its core files and automatically restore off-reg library DLL. In cases where the official installer remains ineffective, we must escalate to a manual review of your system's active runtime state. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered libmlt version 3 component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. If you're still stuck after the reboot, stay with me. We're going to try a more targeted approach now. You can pause the video whenever you need to follow along. Since a standard reinstall didn't fix the library error, we need to perform an integrity check on the host program. If you are using a launcher like Steam or Epic, use the Verify Integrity of Game Files tool. For standalone apps, manually delete the application folder in your local app data directory before reinstalling to ensure no corrupted files are locked in the cache. Why are we doing this? Well, standalone installers often skip files that are already present or locked. Using integrity tools or clearing the app data cache forces a byte-for-byte replacement of your DLL file. To avoid future system conflicts, there is one specific security trap we should discuss. It is critical to avoid the manual installation of off-reg library DLL unless you are following a verified engineering protocol, as a single directory error can prevent your OS from booting and result in significant data loss. A verified diagnostic utility can help manage the ongoing restoration and health of your system's library ecosystem. To reduce system-level conflicts, the maintenance utility below provides general guidance on managing libmlt version 3. I'm Sophie Chen. If this engineering guide helped resolve libmlt version 3 dependency issues, consider subscribing so you have a trusted resource for future Windows troubleshooting.